Welcome to Wealth Wisdom. If you have ambitions to achieve financial success, please leave "yes" in the comment, and we are here to help you obtain insight and build wealth. If you've ever heard the term financial independence and wondered what it really means, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break it down in simple terms. What financial independence actually is. Why so many people are chasing it. The step-by-step roadmap beginners can follow. And how you can start working toward it today, no matter your income level. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what financial independence is and how to begin your journey toward it. What is financial independence? At its core, financial independence means having enough money to cover your living expenses without relying on a job or paycheck. Think of it this way: if you stopped working tomorrow, would your investments, savings, or passive income streams continue to pay your bills? If the answer is yes, congratulations, you're financially independent. It doesn't necessarily mean you're a millionaire. For some people, financial independence could mean having $500,000 invested and living off the returns. For others, it could mean having a rental property that covers their expenses. The key idea is freedom. Freedom to choose whether or not to work. Freedom to spend more time with your family. Freedom to pursue projects you actually care about, all without stressing about money. This is why financial independence is so attractive. It's not just about having money, it's about buying your time back. Why does financial independence matter? Now, you might ask, why should I care about financial independence if I have a stable job and decent income? Well, here's the truth. Jobs aren't guaranteed. Industries change, companies downsize, health issues happen. If all your income comes from one source, your job, you're vulnerable. Financial independence acts as a safety net. It reduces stress, because you know you have a cushion to fall back on. It also gives you options. You could retire early, switch careers, travel, or simply enjoy life without living paycheck to paycheck. And let's be honest, most people spend their lives working 40+ years, only to retire at 65 when their best years are behind them. Financial independence flips that script. It allows you to enjoy life while you're still young and healthy. How much do you need for financial independence? So here's the big question. How much money do you actually need to be financially independent? The answer depends on your lifestyle and expenses. A common guideline is the 25x rule. It comes from what's called the 4% rule in investing. Basically, if you can live on 4% of your investments each year, then you likely have enough to sustain yourself long term. Here's an example. If your annual expenses are $40,000, multiply that by 25. That gives you $1 million. That means if you had a $1 million portfolio, you could withdraw 4% each year, about $40,000, and in theory, live indefinitely off your investments. But financial independence isn't one size fits all. Some people live frugally and can achieve it with $500,000. Others want a luxurious lifestyle and might need several million. The key is understanding your expenses. That's why budgeting and tracking spending is the foundation of any financial independence plan. The path to financial independence. So how do you actually get there? Let's break it down into simple, beginner-friendly steps. Step 1. Know your numbers. Start by calculating how much you spend each year. Be honest, include rent, food, entertainment, everything. That number will determine your financial independence target. Step 2. Save aggressively. The more you save, the faster you reach financial independence. If you're saving only 5% of your income, it will take decades. But if you can push that up to 30%, 40%, or even 50%, you'll cut your timeline dramatically. Step 3. Eliminate debt. High-interest debt, like credit cards, is the enemy of financial independence. If you're paying 20% interest on debt, it's nearly impossible to build wealth. Pay that off first. Step 4. Invest for growth. Savings alone won't get you there. You need your money working for you. That means investing in assets like index funds, ETFs, real estate, or businesses. Historically, the stock market has returned around 7% annually after inflation. That's how compound growth builds wealth over time. Step 5. Build multiple income streams. Don't rely on just one source of money. Whether it's side hustles, freelancing, rental properties, or dividend stocks, multiple streams of income accelerate your path. Step 6. Stay consistent. Financial independence doesn't happen overnight. It takes years of consistent effort. But every dollar you save and invest is a step closer to buying back your freedom. Common misconceptions. Now, before we wrap up, let's clear up a few myths. Myth number 1. You need to be rich to achieve financial independence. Not true. Plenty of average earners have done it by living below their means and investing consistently. Myth number 2. Financial independence means never working again. Also false. Many financially independent people still work, but they do it because they want to, not because they have to. Myth number 3. It's only for young people. Nope. Even if you're in your 40s or 50s, you can still build financial security and independence. It's never too late to start. Taking your first step. So, how do you start? Open a budget app and track your spending this month. Create an emergency fund. Start investing, even if it's just $100. Automate your savings so you don't have to think about it. Remember, financial independence is a journey. You don't need to know everything right now. Just take the first step, and over time, your money will begin working for you. So that's financial independence in a nutshell. Having enough money to cover your expenses without relying on a paycheck. It's not just about money, it's about freedom, security, and choice. If this video helped you understand the basics, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more personal finance content, and share this with a friend who's also curious about financial independence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.